It's your Equinox. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
Max and Jude just love boxes. Jude, is that a big box? Look at Max. Max, is that a big box? You love it? You gonna climb up it? They're scared because we just had thunder and lightning. It's okay, Jude. It's okay, buddy. Hey. It's okay, baby. Big boy. Wait, Max. You're gonna climb up. You're gonna climb up the door. You thinking about it? You're gonna jump up there? You gonna? He's thinking about it. Oh, here he goes. Jump. Go ahead. That was good climbing, Jude, Maxie. What's he doing up there? What you doing up there balancing on the door, you silly cat? Silly guy. Gonna go hide because of the thunder? Good boy. He's hiding, Jude. Hey. There's a close-up of you. Alright, YouTube land. My poor cats are scared of the thunder and lightning. As you can see, we got warnings going on here. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a good day. All is well. Peace.